Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape oil change light. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. All doors should be closed, and the vehicle must be stationary. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset sequence, ensuring the system is ready to receive your input. Now, let's move to the pedal sequence. Fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times, then fully depress the brake pedal 3 times. It is crucial to perform this entire sequence within 10 seconds. This rapid input tells your vehicle's computer to initiate the oil life reset process. Make sure each pedal press is complete and deliberate for the system to register it correctly. After completing the pedal sequence, observe your instrument cluster display. You should see a message indicating that the oil life has been reset, often stating oil life set to 100% or something similar. This confirmation message is your signal that the reset was successful. If you do not see this message, you may need to repeat the previous steps carefully. To finalize the reset, simply turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. This action saves the new oil life setting. Remember, resetting the light does not replace an actual oil change. Always adhere to your Ford Escape's recommended maintenance schedule, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, to ensure optimal engine health and longevity. Regular maintenance is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.